In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple database to manage student information and create queries to filter that data effectively. We'll walk through everything from database creation to running your first query, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step involved. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is designed to help you smoothly navigate the process. Let's get started by creating a new database. At this initial stage, you want to ensure that Create a New Database is selected. This is your starting point, setting the foundation for everything else we'll build on. Once confirmed, move forward by clicking Next, which will guide you to the subsequent screen. Now, you're almost ready to save and proceed. On the next screen, you'll find an important decision to make. Select Yes, register the database for me. This registration step is crucial, as it ensures your database is recognized within the system, paving the way for smoother operations. Also, check the option Open the database for editing, so you can promptly start working on it. When you're ready, click Finish. Make sure to save your database file with a meaningful name, something like Students ODB, for easy identification later. With the database set up, it's time to create a table, which is essential for running queries. In the database window that opens after saving, look toward the left panel and click Tables. This action highlights all the table-related options. In the middle panel, you'll find an option to Create Table in Design View. Selecting this allows you to customize the structure of your table. As you design your table, add fields for name, age, and grade. Ensure name is set to text varchar to handle any character input, while both age and grade should be set to number integer, since they handle numerical data. Don't forget to save your work by clicking the disk icon, naming the table students, then close the design window. To populate this table, double-click on students in the right panel. Enter a few rows of data manually, such as Anna 2085 or Ben 1975. This data entry will help test our query functionality later. Next, you'll venture into queries by clicking on the corresponding option in the left panel. In the middle panel, you'll have the chance to Use Wizard to create query. This user-friendly feature is particularly beneficial for beginners. The Query Wizard presents itself with an array of options. Start by selecting fields from the Students table and move Name, Age, and Grade to the right side. This step tells the system which columns you're interested in querying. Choose Grade as your sorting order and set it to ascending to organize your results meaningfully. Now comes the filtering part. Add a condition such as grade 80 to focus on students with standout grades. Opt for a detail query when prompted, and let alias remain as the default. Finish up by naming your query High Grades and then click Finish. Finally, it's time to run this new query. Go to the right panel under Queries and double-click High Grades. Almost magically, you'll see results displaying only the students with a grade above 80, a straightforward way to filter and identify those high achievers. Congratulations on completing this tutorial and successfully running your first query.